Hey everybody, Digger coming at you with another little party bus update. And what are we doing today? We are doing the secret sauce. Yeah, look at that. That's what we're doing today. Putting up the secret sauce. Then I've got all these that go up there on the top, all covered with the black tweed. Only one I need to still cover is the main one that goes around this area here, because I kind of had a saw cut in it that actually it was over there, but I didn't like the way it fit around the edge, so I'm going to just recut and remake that whole thing. So that's what we're doing, though, getting that secret sauce up there today. Heck yeah. So, just thought I'd let you guys know what was going on. I do have a possible assistant now. Bobby J's got his son down here, and his son, I don't know, 19, 20, something like that. But he has shown a interest for the party buses. So he's been helping me put the secret sauce on the ceiling, and he's going to be out here, back here in a few minutes, and we'll get to putting all the rest of it up, hopefully. It's a little bit cold out here today, but we'll get her done. So after that's done, then we can take all the covered boards and put them up there, and then the ceiling will pretty much about be done. So probably have the ceiling done by, I don't know, sometime Saturday maybe. And then we've got other things to do yet. Still need to make the figure out what I'm doing on the seat backs back here. So still have that to do. We still have the cameras to install, but there you can kind of see a little bit more of it. But so we still have the cameras to install. Got the seat back pieces down there to mess with down there, yeah. And I still need to figure out how I'm gonna put some quick disconnects or something on the wheelchair lift cover. So, but that's where we're at right now. Like all my crazy lines on the ceiling. What I did is, after I mounted all this stuff up here, I went around and fogged a little paint around the edge. That way, when we put the secret sauce up there, we know the secret sauce needs to overhang both sides a little bit. That way, when we put everything back up there, it's all good. So, all right, well, thanks for right now. So Jordy will be back here in a couple minutes, and we'll get rolling on putting more of that secret sauce up there. Look at that stuff glitter. It's unbelievable. So, all right, well, back to it. We'll catch you guys on the flip side. And remember, the party starts here. We'll see y'all in a bit. Digger is out.